Hi, this is Thorsten Schmidt and welcome to the NMS PRIME channel. Today I want to talk about the biggest challenges of NMS PRIME. The challenges I want to talk about are mostly the technical ones, and let's begin with the first challenge. At the time we focus on only DOCSIS devices inside of NMS PRIME. But in the future, of course, we want to support all kind of devices. So for example, FTTH devices, then DSL devices and Wi-Fi devices. So this is one of the biggest challenges we are focusing, and let's say that we want any devices like FTTH, DSL and Wi-Fi. So for this purpose, I guess we need to implement or use some kind of open source TR69 service, which is not done yet. So this is the first big challenge we are focusing in the future. The second one will be that at the time NMS PRIME only uses IP version 4, and of course everybody of you notice it that it's time to support IP version 6. And this will be also a really big challenge in the future to support IP version 6. Because our architecture is based on standard Linux, on only standard Linux and only open source products, I think this will be a possible change to IP version 6 because we use the standard DHCP infrastructure and the bind services which already are IP version 6 compliant. So moving to IP version 6 is mainly focused on looking at ISC DHCP service and taking a look at bind v6 and DHCP v6. And of course all the other topics which are related with this. So how does the cable modem termination system needs to be configured with running IP version 6. So moving to v6 is the second big challenge which we are facing in the future. Then the third one, which is I guess maybe the hardest part of all, will be to increase the stability of the entire system and to move to some kind of high availability clustering. So this is the high availability stuff, which means that at the time our entire system runs on one virtual host, and we do not make use of the load balancing topics and all these kind of things which we can do with it. But I'm really looking forward that we can face this challenge because, as I explained in this video and in other videos, we only use standard Linux tools like, for example, MySQL, and many people of you know that MySQL, for example, uses Facebook. So Facebook can challenge his topics with MySQL and make it usable for them. And so of course MySQL must scale for NMS PRIME, for example. And also, like I explained, ISC DHCP is used by really big operators which provision more than millions of devices, and it's scalable. So all we know is that every piece of software that we are using is scalable under really big circumstances, and we only need to find out how other operators or how other companies use these kind of services and scale it and make it available for the open source community and contribute the knowledge which you need to know to get these things running. So I'm really looking forward that we can face these three challenges. And of course, as I explained, high availability means to me also the stability aspect, so which is also on code stability and all the things that come together with going to a more spread architecture which is based on many different machines. If you want to support us, how can you support us? First of all, use it. That's really important. So the more user we have in the system, the more people who use it, then the better the system gets. So using it and getting in contact with us is really important. The second one is that if you want to get a member of the NMS PRIME team, then it's not all about coding. What is also really important and which is not this good at the time is the documentation aspect. So if you're using it and you like it, writing documentation will be a really good thing which we need to focus on in the next steps. So if you want to contribute, documentation is also really important. And of course the third thing will be contributing code. So if you want to contribute code, check out our Git repository, and there are also some kind of contribution guidelines, and then just get in contact with us and we will talk about how things can work. So thanks for watching for now. I will see you in the next video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter or get in contact with us, and thanks for watching.